everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I actually didn't vlog yesterday on Saturday because I was doing a lot of things. I kind of just wanted a day off. I saw Aiden because he's come back for the weekend to see his mum. Sophie came round for a few hours and we did some editing and had a chat and stuff, and we're trying to organise our Airbnb for summer in the city in August. So yeah, yesterday was like a little productive day, and I also got to see some people that I wanted to, so that was lovely. But today is Mother's Day and I just thought I'd vlog this day because it'll be lovely to look back on. Me and my family are all going to my nan's house today and we're having like a nice chilled time over there. I think we're having a roast dinner, which I'm so excited for, like, because I love roast dinners, they're one of my favourites. For Mother's Day, I've bought my mum a ticket to come and see Shrek the Musical with my auntie and cousin. If you didn't know, I don't think I've said it actually, to be fair. But yeah, I've bought my mum a Shrek the Musical ticket, so that's like my present for her, so she already knows about it, so there's nothing like I can surprise her with. But my brother has bought her something, so I'm going to film her opening it. I'll show you her reaction to it. My mum's also baking cakes this morning, which I'm so excited for. If you don't know, my mum is the most amazing cake maker. Not cake maker, she's like obviously is good at making cakes, but the way she decorates them is so good. Like throughout my childhood, yeah, she's made me so many different cakes. Each year I'd ask, like, can I have a pink guitar, or can I have ballet shoes? And she'd make it every single time. They look so good. So my mum's making, I think she's making actual cupcakes rather than a big cake for my nan for Mother's Day, which is such a lovely idea. I love things that have a lot of thought. Let's go see what mum's reaction is to David's present. And if you can hear that noise in the background, it's the washing machine, it's so loud. So I've just got ready. I'll show you what I'm wearing a little bit later, but we are heading to the crematorium to put some flowers down for my grandma for Mother's Day, which is really nice. I'm obviously not taking my phone to film for obvious reasons, out of respect, but I'll catch up with you when we get back because we're going to be decorating the cakes. Right, so we are back now and I've just filmed a video for Monday for this channel. I don't know if it will be up before this. If it is, then I will leave it down below, but I filmed the difference between lecture seminars and practicals and what I enjoy about each different one and my opinions and thoughts. So if you guys want to go check that out, then I will leave it down below if it's up before this. If not, it will be up tomorrow. But yeah, we're just about to start decorating the cakes because they're all ready to be done. So we've just finished making the cakes and I'm just about to start packing all my last bits together. I've done all my suitcase this morning. I just need to sort out all the stuff I'm taking in my rucksack. The cakes are so funny. They're poorly decorated as if like a 3-year-old's just made them, but they were made by us, so Nan won't care anyway. She'll just want the buttercream icing that my mum makes because it's so good. And I'm taking, I think, 8 cakes back because we literally made over 30 cake. Like, we decorated over 30 cakes, so I'm taking some back to uni so me, Megan and Hattie can have them in the week. I'm really excited about. Oh, I'm also filming tomorrow for a girls documentary. Her name's Danny Jade and I speak to her quite a lot because she's a fellow blogger and she lives kind of near me. But she's travelling down to Lincoln tomorrow morning, so I won't be at uni tomorrow. I'm going to be filming out all day, but I will probably vlog because it'll be interesting, and I think we're going to go to a cafe to film in, which is exciting. So yeah, I'll obviously show you a little bit more about that tomorrow and talk about it, but just thought I'd let you know if you were expecting a uni vlog tomorrow, it won't solely be uni based, even though I will be back in Lincoln. So I forgot to update the vlog. We are on our way to Nan's. Mum's just gone and stopped in the shop. I've got all the cakes that we're taking here, and you've got some in the back as well, haven't you, Dave? Yeah. And also there's this really cute dog that's sitting over there, and I want it. Look how cute that little dog is, Mum. So cute. But yeah, we're on our way to Nan's. Thank you. And Mum's just bought me some daffodils for my room at uni because I want.
Cheapskate.
No, it doesn't. They're just £1. But I need them for my uni room. I wanted some spring flowers. Excuse me.
Three lots of cakes.
Yeah.
Charlotte,
Have a good time. I love Sophie's jumper. Absolutely love it. It's like a little Adidas hoodie, and this colour is so nice, isn't it? I love it. Oh, don't I'm doing this while I'm eating dinner. And Sophie also got the same foundation as me. It looks so good. Your hair looks so nice as well.
Lovely.
Okay, so apologies for the terrible lighting, but we've just had a roast dinner. How good was it, Soph?
Oh my god, it was like amazing. I haven't
So
had
good.
in ages.
Yeah, me too. It tasted so good. But I just thought I'd mention this in my vlog because I feel like she needs credit for it, you know. I've been taking photos for the past like 15 minutes of my Nan's knits. She makes like little cute knits for babies, both male and female obviously, and she does loads of different styles, loads of different colours, and I thought I'd promote it. I feel like she could make a business out of this. Like, I'm not obviously forcing people to like pay for them, but I just thought I'd put it on all my social medias literally to get the word out because I feel like her talent's being wasted, you know. I've got so many already for when I have kids in the future. But I'm going to show you a few of them now, and if you've got like babies, like new babies coming, and you wanted to message me, they're not going to be extremely expensive obviously, but my nan literally spends all of her spare time like knitting, I swear, and she's made so many cute little outfits. Most of them come with like a matching hat, but obviously you can message me if you are interested. You can like email me on my email down below, or just message me on any social media and I'm sure I'll reply. Or if you have like just any baby in the family, or it's like a really nice gift as well, isn't it? So yeah. How cute are they? Like, I'm so excited to have kids in the future so I can dress them up in them, because I feel like not many people knit anymore, do they?
No, I haven't seen it.
Honestly, like, it makes me, it's so cute how much time she must have spent doing this. Sorry about the lighting, but I am going to post some photos on the screen at the same time so you can see it in a better light, because it's quite orange in here, but I just thought I'd show you. So there's this cute little bobbly pink cardigan, which is adorable. Got some multicoloured ones here. Then some little blue sets. These are like the matching hats. Should we get a loopy out, like a proper loopy? Would you mind getting one out, so we can show them? But yeah, she does like little ombre ones as well. This is a cute little blue suit for the girls with a little skirt. How cute is that? And then look at these loopy ones. I'm obsessed with these. They're so adorable. Imagine a little baby in that. And look, the little bonnet hat. So yeah, literally she makes tons of them. Look, they're all stuffed on the bed just because she makes them, and whenever there's a baby in the family she just gives one away because she's too cute. But I just thought if anyone wants to buy any, hit me up. Cute, and she will literally make whatever you want, so whatever colour, whatever style. I'm going to pop some on my Depop so people can see them a bit closer up and in a nicer light. But yeah, how cute are these? No, I look really horrible. So me and Megan have caught the train. Megan's just sitting opposite. We've just managed to swap seats to table one because it was so cramped where we were sitting. How long have we got left? We've got ages. They've had some sort of maintenance going on, so our journey's an hour and a half longer than it should be. I look like I've just died. And then, wait, so we've technically got 2 hours to go, and we've been on here for how long? An hour and a half. So we are now at Nottingham Station. Megan's just gone to the toilet. I'm looking after us and stuff here. I've got the weirdest outfit on because I was cold, so I put my hoodie on, but I've got like wide leg trousers. It just looks really weird. But we've just seen our train come, and it's one carriage, which means it's going to be really cramped if we don't get there early. So hopefully after Megan goes, we'll just quickly run to the platform and not many people will be there. So he was singing. That's nice. Currently on the way home from the train station. I just left, well, not left Megan, but she's just gone to hers, and I'm on the way back. I'm carrying so many things, so I'm a bit stressed out, but I can't wait to get back, see Hattie and settle back in because I have missed being here just because I love Lincoln so much. Like, you guys know how much I love this uni and how much I love being here. And we managed to get a seat on the train back because there was only one carriage and it was so packed, it was horrible. So I completely forgot to end the vlog last night because I came back, caught up with Hattie and then went to bed. So thank you very much for watching my Mother's Day vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye!